pretty nice outside right now.
Okay.
A little bit humid, certainly, but if you don't mind the warmth, this is a pretty nice afternoon. Eventually, some stormy weather is going to build into the region, however, and especially true in the northernmost counties because of a front that's dropping south. So I want to walk you through the impacts that we're going to see from that, and also talk about how long this stretch of summery weather is actually going to last. Now that we've hit October, I think a lot of us are actually craving some more comfortable air and some cooler conditions, right? Not really going to happen for the next couple of days. So technically, again, this is a cold front, but it doesn't live up to its name per se. We don't see a really big hit on the thermometer, let alone much of anything at all on the thermometer changing from one day to the next, and we'll see that in the 7-day. But here once more is what's happening now anyway with these showers and storms. They are locally drenching. They are certainly locally heavy up toward northernmost Pennsylvania and then crossing into the New York area. But we do have a slight risk for severe weather in the northern tier of our area, so including the Lehigh Valley, at this point even stretching as far south as western Montgomery County, parts of Upper Bucks, and then heading into the Carbon-Monroe area. So this is definitely a problem for those areas, a northern half of our region problem more than anything. The main impacts would be heavy rain, gusty wind, as well as frequent lightning. Can't totally rule out the other two, however, so we do need to keep a close watch on the radar. We'll absolutely be doing that for you, and keep an eye on where things stand as the day progresses. Now, it's obviously been warm. It's going to stay that way for the majority of this forecast. What is up? Why is this happening? Blame it on the jet stream, or thank the jet stream, depending who you ask. But when the jet stream ridges like this and you've got a big trough out west allowing the cool air to pool to the south, the warmth is going to, by contrast, build to the north. And we kind of set up this zone of battleground off to our north and west. So there are a few other opportunities for showers and storms in our forecast, but by and large, the main story is that it's just really warm. So even despite this very fall-like background of the pumpkin farm, by Thursday, we're flirting at least with record territory. We're not calling for a record, but the record high is 88 degrees, and we are forecasting a temperature very, very close to that. So we'll see how we do. The call is 85 degrees. We're already at 80 degrees at the airport, expecting to tack on another degree or two before the day is all said and done. It's a lot cooler where you're stuck in the clouds off toward Mount Pocono right now. Certainly a little milder the further south you go, but yeah, it's a little atypical to be this warm on this particular day of the year. As we head into the overnight, expect that skies will start to clear out, but the main timing of any showers and storms would be this afternoon far north, and then more toward late evening the further south you go into the city, and you may not even have one raindrop down the shore in southern Delaware. So don't be shocked if you don't see anything. A look ahead, though, in the Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast features the majority of the outlook in the 80s, so the warmth just keeps going. By the time we hit Friday and Saturday, however, a little break. You'll get that cooler, more comfortable air in place, some sun to go with it, and daytime highs where they actually should be, low to mid 70s at best. But in the meantime, very warm air still in place, and that'll be a theme for us right through Thursday before some cooler air starts to nudge in, at least for a short time. We'll be right back.